Midjourney, Ideogram, and Recraft all claim the crown for best AI image generator. So I pulled the pricing pages, model cards, and community benchmarks to test all three across 5 categories. The surprise is that Midjourney, the tool with the most unmatched artistic reputation in the industry, still loses 3 of the 5 tests to a design tool a lot of casual users have never touched. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one deserves your subscription and which one is quietly winning the war for real production work. Aesthetic quality is where Midjourney earns its reputation. Press consensus scores it 9.2 out of 10 for moody lighting and painterly texture, ahead of Recraft's 8.5 and Ideogram's 8. But text rendering flips the script completely. Community-reported testing puts Ideogram at roughly 90% accuracy on short phrases, while Midjourney manages only about 30%. Recraft sits close behind Ideogram here too. Midjourney wins this category overall on aesthetic strength alone, but if your image needs readable words in it, this is Midjourney's clearest weakness. My name is Brian, and I review AI software, so you don't have to. According to press coverage, Midjourney V8 completes generations in under 10 seconds on fast mode, the quickest verified number in this comparison. Recraft's V4 Pro runs 10 to 15 seconds. Midjourney also offers a turbo mode reported up to 3.5 times faster than fast. Ideogram's free slow queue runs 30 to 60 seconds, though its priority tiers are near instant. Midjourney takes this one clean on both raw speed and the flexibility of its speed tiers. This is where the story turns. Midjourney has no free tier at all. Entry starts at $10 a month, and community estimates put that at roughly 200 generations. Ideogram's free tier gives you 10 slow credits a day, about 40 images a week. Recraft's free tier gives you 50 credits every single day, and its basic plan at $10 a month includes 1,000 credits. Recraft wins cost per image and free tier availability outright, and Midjourney's total lack of a free trial is a real barrier for anyone who wants to test before paying. Stick with me, because the last 4 tests are where this decision actually flips. Recraft's brand style lock keeps every generation visually consistent, which community sources call the most production-ready option of the 3. Ideogram's custom brand model, trained on 15 to 100 images, is a close second, and its JSON bounding box layout control is the most precise tool here for exact placement, according to vendor documentation. Midjourney relies on RESRF and CREF parameters, which work but often take 5 to 10 iterations to lock in a look. One of the biggest problems I run into when using AI agents is turning their output into YouTube content I can actually use to market my product. That's why this video is sponsored by Subscriber, a tool that helps business owners connect their AI agents to YouTube and market their products without spending 10 hours every week creating content. You can connect Claude or ChatGPT directly to Subscriber. It then analyzes your business, website, and YouTube channel to help you create SEO-optimized video ideas, scripts, thumbnails, and even complete videos that actually match your brand. What I like most is that every week, Subscriber gives me a list of high-potential video ideas I can immediately execute, and it can even help edit videos for me, with or without my face, including videos like the one you're watching right now. It's easy to get started, and you can try Subscriber for free using the link in the description below. Now back to the video. Recraft wins brand consistency, Ideogram wins precision layout, and Midjourney trails both on repeatability. Recraft and Ideogram both ship with genuine free tiers and open access. On output format, Recraft generates true SVG vectors alongside raster images, the only one of the 3 that does. Ideogram publishes an open weight model on Hugging Face, giving developers a self-host option neither competitor offers. Recraft wins this category on free access and vector output. Midjourney remains subscription only with no free trial and a Discord-first workflow that's still the most restrictive of the 3. Midjourney wins where art matters. Best in category aesthetic quality at 9.2, and the fastest verified generation at under 10 seconds. Ideogram wins the text rendering fight at roughly 90% accuracy, community reported, plus the most precise JSON layout control, and the only open weight model of the 3. Recraft takes 3 of 5 tests outright. Cheapest entry with 50 free credits daily, the only true SVG vector output, and the strongest brand consistency lock for repeatable assets. Now, Midjourney wins where art matters. Best in category aesthetic quality at 9.2, and the fastest verified generation at under 10 seconds. Ideogram wins the text rendering fight at roughly 90% accuracy, community reported, plus the most precise JSON layout control and the only open-weight model of the three. Recraft takes 3 of 5 tests outright. Cheapest entry with 50 free credits daily. The only true SVG vector output, and the strongest brand consistency lock for repeatable assets. Midjourney wins where art matters. Best in category aesthetic quality at 9.2, and the fastest verified generation at under 10 seconds. Ideogram wins the text rendering fight at roughly 90% accuracy, community reported, plus the most precise JSON layout control, and the only open-weight model of the three. Recraft takes 3 of 5 tests outright, cheapest entry with 50 free credits daily, the only true SVG vector output, and the strongest brand consistency lock for repeatable assets. Recraft is the winner. It's the only one of the three that's genuinely production-ready true vector output, a brand-style lock, and a free tier generous enough to test before you pay a cent. Midjourney still owns artistic polish and raw speed, and if your work is cinematic or painterly, it's worth the $10 to $30 a month. Ideogram remains the text rendering champion and the only open-weight option, but a slower free tier and weaker vector support hold it back from the top spot. The decisive question is simple. Are you making art or are you making assets? Most people searching this comparison are making assets, and that's why Recraft takes it. Marketing will tell you Midjourney V8 is 5 times faster than V7, completing generations in under 10 seconds. That's true, but only on fast mode. Switch to relax mode, and the same job can take anywhere from 0 to 10 minutes. If you're on a lower tier plan burning through fast mode credits, that under 10 seconds headline number doesn't apply to you once you're queued and relax. If you want to see how these three handle a head-to-head prompt battle instead of a spec sheet, that's the next video to watch.